Have you ever stood up from your chair and felt that slow, dragging pull in your legs? Do your knees sometimes feel stiff, your calves heavy, or your ankles sore, even if you haven't been walking much? Do you ever wonder why climbing stairs now feels like climbing a mountain? Is it just aging? Or is something missing from your diet? Here's a surprising truth. While aging naturally causes some muscle and joint decline, what most people don't realize is that weak legs are often a symptom, not just of age, but of missing the very nutrients your muscles and joints desperately need, and it doesn't stop there. Your legs carry your entire body. When they weaken, balance gets shaky. Falls become more likely. Pain starts creeping in. Energy fades. But what if simply eating 3 specific, natural, everyday foods could slowly begin to restore your leg strength, gently, consistently, and naturally? Today we're not talking about pills or painful workouts. We're diving into 3 powerful foods. Yes, foods that research suggests may enhance circulation, nourish muscles, reduce joint inflammation, and help you rebuild leg strength at any age. If you've been feeling slower, stiffer, or more tired than you used to, this may be the wake-up call your legs have been waiting for. But before we begin, click that subscribe button and enable notifications. Because here on this channel, we bring you the health truths nobody talks about, tailored for those of us over 60 who still want to live strong, steady, and independent. And if this topic speaks to you, let me know in the comments. Type 1 if you felt weak legs lately, or type 0 if you haven't. I read every comments from you. Let's begin with the first food. It's creamy, it's soft, and for years it was misunderstood, but this humble green fruit holds secrets your legs will love. Let's talk about avocados. Avocados, the muscle rebuilder hiding in your kitchen. At first glance, avocados don't look like a muscle food. They're not high in protein. They don't seem powerful. But inside that creamy green flesh is a dense package of leg-nourishing nutrition, and your aging body is begging for it. First, healthy fats. As we age, our muscles begin to break down faster, but healthy fats, especially the kind found in avocados, reduce chronic inflammation. Why is that important? Because chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the key reasons seniors develop weak, aching legs. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which don't just protect your heart. They help deliver nutrients directly into your muscle tissue. They support your mitochondria, tiny energy factories in your muscles, allowing you to walk longer, climb easier, and recover faster. Second, potassium. A single avocado has more potassium than a banana, but without the sugar spike. Potassium helps your muscles contract properly. Without enough, your legs can feel shaky, wobbly, or even cramp out of nowhere. Low potassium is like trying to drive a car with no fuel. You need it to move. Third, magnesium. Magnesium helps relax tight muscles and supports better sleep, which is when your muscles actually heal and rebuild. One avocado delivers a calming dose of this crucial mineral, something most seniors are sorely lacking. And finally, fiber. Constipation and poor digestion slow nutrient absorption. Avocado's rich fiber keeps things moving, ensuring your body actually absorbs the nutrients needed to restore strength. Now, here's what's important. You don't need to eat a full avocado every day. Even half an avocado with breakfast or lunch can, over time, nourish your legs and help reduce that heavy, tired feeling. Try spreading it on whole grain toast. Add it to a salad. Or simply eat it with a spoon and a pinch of salt. Your legs may not thank you tomorrow, but a few weeks from now, they just might feel lighter, stronger, and more dependable. Let's move to the second food. This one comes from the sea. It's flaky, it's tender. And if you eat it just twice a week, it can deliver a huge return in leg strength. Let's talk about salmon. Salmon, the circulation supercharger. Your legs need. Why do so many seniors experience cold feet, tingling toes, and weak legs? Circulation. As we age, our blood vessels stiffen. That means less oxygen and nutrients get to your legs. And without oxygen, your muscles can't perform even simple tasks like standing, walking, or keeping balance become harder. Here's where salmon comes in. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats aren't just good for your heart. They thin the blood slightly, reducing clot risk and enhancing blood flow to your legs. More blood means more oxygen. More oxygen means more energy. And more energy means stronger, more reliable legs. But omega-3s do more than that. They soothe inflamed joints. If you suffer from aching knees, stiff hips, or sore ankles, omega-3s can help lubricate those joints from the inside. They reduce stiffness, improve range of motion, help you walk with confidence again. Salmon is also high in high-quality protein, something older adults often don't get enough of. Muscles shrink as we age, but protein feeds them. And unlike red meat, salmon is gentle on the stomach, heart-friendly, and easy to prepare. One serving about the size of your palm twice a week is all it takes. Try grilled salmon with vegetables, salmon salad with olive oil, or even canned salmon on crackers. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to be consistent. Still skeptical? Here's what studies show. Seniors who consume omega-3 rich fish regularly experience less leg fatigue, better balance, and fewer falls. It's not just about strength, it's about safety, stability, and staying independent. Let's now move to the third food. It's small, it's colorful, and it might just be the leg repair secret weapon hiding in your freezer. Let's talk about berries. Berries, the antioxidant army that defends your legs. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Whichever one you choose, you're choosing strength. You see, leg weakness isn't always about muscle. Sometimes it's about cell-damaged tiny injuries inside your muscles, joints, and blood vessels caused by time, stress, or poor diet. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, especially one called anthocyanin. This compound helps repair those tiny tears, reduces oxidative stress, and improves blood flow, especially to lower limbs. What does that mean for you? Less swelling in the ankles, less soreness after walking, less stiffness when standing up. But berries go a step further. They also help manage blood sugar. Spikes in sugar weaken circulation and inflame joints. Unlike processed sweets, berries satisfy your sweet tooth without the crash. They're high in fiber, low in calories, and support a healthy weight, which matters when your legs are doing the carrying. And best of all, they're easy to eat. Frozen berries in a smoothie, fresh berries with breakfast. A small bowl after dinner, just a handful or two a day, can make a difference over time. Research has shown that seniors who eat berries regularly perform better on leg strength tests, walking speed, and balance exercises. It's not about overnight results. It's about feeding your legs every day, repairing them, protecting them, and empowering them. So there you have it. 3 simple natural foods that can gently revive the strength in your legs without pills, without surgery, without strain. Avocados for inflammation-fighting fats and minerals, salmon for circulation and muscle protein, berries for antioxidant repair and blood sugar balance. Individually, they help. Together, they nourish your entire lower body system, joints, muscles, vessels, nerves. If you're tired of the dull ache, the dragging steps, the fear of falling, then this is your chance. Not with gimmicks, but with food, with nature, with consistency. But remember, none of this works without your action. Start small. One food, one meal, one change. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe, because in our next video we will talk about 3 exercises that go with these foods and boost leg strength. And tell me, have you been eating any of these 3 foods or avoiding them without realizing it? Let's talk in the comments. Your legs carry your life. Nourish them well, and they'll carry you farther than you think.